Guys, I got something from the mail. My mom got this. And from the mail. I don't know what this is, but it's gonna be surprising. Yes, it was the mask. Guys, we got the mask. You guys wanted me to put these on, this mask on me. So.
Okay, put it on. The kids are outside jumping in the trampoline.
I'll take off my mask.
Does it need batteries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tell them about the mask. How does it feel?
It feels like rubbery and all that, and it feels hot when I talk.
Is it hot? And it's nice and stretchable
Yeah.
here? Got a nice band here so we can tighten it. Okay, let me grab batteries. Keep talking to them. You can take it off.
So it looks kind of cool, guys. So you can see X right here. You can see like staples. It looks kind of like staples and all that. And it looks kind of like a Game Master. I don't know his name, but he like, kind of wears this, and he wears it all the time. So, and there's eyes, and there's a breathing. So when I'm breathing, and then I'm talking.
Okay, I found one battery. I just gotta go find one more. Okay?
Okay.
And then we can turn it on for them.
Guys, look at this. This is a big battery. Oof. That's a big battery. So,
I hope these batteries work. I just found them in the closet. Oh yeah. Okay, put it back on.
Hi guys.
And now this can clip to you. So I'll clip it to the back of you, and then we can go outside. Is that pretty cool for Halloween?
Yeah.
That's pretty fancy.
What about Scar Trooper? That'll be cool.
About what?
Scar Trooper.
Okay.
That's like a skeleton that's in Fortnite.
Okay. You ready? Go scare them. Harper and Daddy and Sawyer are jumping on the trampoline.
Hello!
Is it on?
Yeah.
Stop, let me see. Oh, it is on. You can't quite see it out in the light, but in the dark, that's going to look super cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can really see it. Okay, what do we tell everybody? Come back.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and thank you for telling me to do this. This is pretty good.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe down below.